And we need y'all's expertise these days because there's a lot to keep up with. May is doing its thing finally, and we need the rain because we sort of bank it in this month as we head into the dry months ahead.
That is absolutely correct. You know, as we get into summer, we usually shut off the rain and then we see the drought and then we see the fire risk. So right now, it's good that we actually have these rain chances in the forecast. We just don't want it to impact all the graduations.
True.
Because so many of them are actually outdoors. So we actually have one that's this evening that is outdoors, and that's Berkner High School. But yes, but I honestly, it's looking drier and drier. I went ahead and I took that coverage down just a little bit. At 7 o'clock at this point, maybe a 20% coverage, and then after that it drops down to a 10% coverage. So there's a really good chance you'll get any rain, but I just can't rule out an isolated shower that passes by. Temperatures will be falling down into the low 70s. Right now, this is our Clyde Warren Park camera. It's overcast. We're still at 75 degrees. The wind, it's light out of the east, so that's not going to be a problem. Looking at satellite and radar over the past several hours, most of the rain and storms just out to the west, but good news is that continues to lift off to the north. So DFW, everything's nice and quiet right now. We'd have some strong storms out to the west, though, producing the very heavy rainfall, quite a bit of lightning, nothing severe, not expecting any severe weather. But that continues to lift off to the north, even some very light rain now, mainly west of Decatur. But looking at Dallas and Fort Worth, again, right now very dry, but we can't rule out an isolated shower sweeping on by this evening. So as we go throughout the rest of this evening, the showers and storms will eventually decrease in coverage out west and eventually move off to the north. Overnight tonight, we stay cloudy. An isolated shower can't be ruled out. Only about a 10% coverage with areas of patchy fog developing by tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning, I think we start out overcast. We're going to have areas of fog. Temperatures will start out in the mid 60s. It's going to be humid. Later in the day, we're looking at skies to become partly cloudy, so working in some sunshine. This is going to be at noon tomorrow. You can see those isolated showers mainly just south of the Red River. Eventually, they move off to the south. The coverage increases a little bit, but still only about 20 to maybe 30% coverage. Those move through the metroplex. This is going to be at 6 o'clock now. Most of it in between, well, just south of Dallas towards Waxahachie and Canton, and that continues to move off to the south later that evening. This is going to be 10 o'clock, and most of the rain out of here. So Friday night to Saturday morning, for the most part, it does look dry, and then Saturday during the day looks dry. We're going to have some clouds around, but by Saturday evening, those rain and storm chances move back in with about a 30% coverage. With all of these rain chances in the forecast, temperatures staying a little bit below normal, but not by a lot. Tomorrow, we're looking at the high of 82 degrees. That's only 4 degrees below normal. On Saturday, because I think most of the day will be dry, temperatures make it just a little bit warmer, so 83. On Sunday, I think the rain's primarily early in the morning, so that gives us less opportunity for temperatures to go up, so we're going 82 degrees. By Monday, it's really hard to say when those rain and storm chances will be taking place. We'll fine-tune it as we get closer, but nonetheless, there's going to be a 20% coverage, temperatures in the low 80s. So for tonight, an isolated shower, patchy fog develops overnight. We're dropping into the upper 60s. Tomorrow afternoon, isolated thunderstorms, mainly later in the afternoon and evening. Temperatures still make it into the low 80s. We see in the low 80s for a while. We also see those rain and storm chances sticking in the forecast for a while. So while we do have lots of rain and storm chances, we're not expecting rain all day, every day. That's definitely not going to be the case. There's certainly going to be some dry days in there. It looks like as we head into June, though, temperatures start to go up just a little bit more. Jason, back to you.